Good morning, y'all. Just woke up, doing some cleaning. Still trying to adjust to being back home. I didn't do anything yesterday that I said I was gonna do, but unpack. Oh, that's about it. But I want to get out because I need to go buy washing powder, and I think that's it. I think I probably want to go to the grocery store. But it's so cold. I hate getting out in the cold. Yeah, it's ugly outside. So, I don't know. Gotta see. So, I'm finna eat breakfast. And I ain't had a muffin in so long. But I'm eating a muffin, some orange juice, and a banana. I know I'm gonna be hungry in like 15 minutes because this is not gonna fill me up. My oldest son picked out some banana nut muffins. I might try those later. I think I like banana nut.
YouTubians, what's good? Just picked my daughter up from school. Tinky.
Hello.
About to go pick the boys up.
Get some ice cream.
And guess what, people?
Everybody.
Yeah, when we was on vacation, I got a lot of sleep. Now I'm back at home. I can't get no sleep at all. That's crazy. Maybe I can get a couple more hours of sleep when I get home. Well,
that's what
crazy
my
little
friend
girl.
says. That's what my friend says. Boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Yes. Some say do.
She's crazy.
What?
You crazy?
No, I'm not.
Okay. You're not crazy.
You crazy.
No, I know I am.
Pink hat.
It's red.
Pink.
Red.
Pink.
Red.
Pink.
Red.
Pink. Pink.
About to go pick the boys up. What's up, YouTube? We sitting in here chilling, watching TV. My wife editing another vlog from the cruise. Oh, drop the camera. Hello. Look, it's just sexy.
It's a structured dance.
Oh yeah, we just chilling today. Gotta be at work in a minute at 7. So lame, so lame.
Watch this. That's right.
I gotta be at work at 7. Like 3:30. Yeah, I'm home about 4.
Now I'm sitting here. Took out my pictures off the walls. I don't know if y'all remember from my older vlogs, but they was on this wall right here. But we moved the TV right there. And I had them sitting over here trying to decide what wall I want to put them on. I think I'm gonna put them on this wall. And then buy like cube shelving and put it on there and just have little, what you call it? I guess vases and little decor or whatever sitting on top, and put my scrapbooks in there. But I need to get some pictures printed and hung up. I was asking Tony, I was like, when you hang up pictures, I'm like, don't you supposed to hang up pictures of like, yeah, outside family and stuff? We don't have any. I'm gonna see if I can call some of my family. I know I got pictures of my daddy and his wife and my mama at my wedding, but I don't really have like any, what you call it, candid, so like people. I like candid pictures. I'm gonna see if my auntie and my mama and them will give me some, cause I want to put up like old baby pictures and just something that look nice and not staged. So hopefully I can do that in the next couple of weeks. I need to buy some more picture frames. These picture frames all broke or falling apart, missing the insides. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm out of breath because I was just in the garage sorting out the clothes from lights and darks and towels and wipes, and I'm out of breath. Ooh. So I'm washing and my dryer is not drying. I don't know what's going on. Tonio said a few days or before we left and went on vacation that the dryer kept cutting off. It wasn't drying. And so at first I thought it was him doing something wrong, but I put some clothes in the dryer and I set it to 50 because it gets hot on 50 then go down or whatever. And I just did it, and like I put some towels in there and the towels are still wet. So I don't know. We just bought this dryer too last year.
All the best.
And it can't be broke. I tried to stick I got the Google and they said that it might be overheating because of built up lint. And I got the vacuum cleaner and I tried to stick it in the back, and I don't think I got anything. I don't know if it's built up lint or whatever. But when Tonio get home tomorrow, I'm gonna try to ask. I'm gonna ask him to lift it up and see if it's like built up lint underneath. We can't afford no new dryer right now. That's not in the plan. That's not the budget right now. So hopefully we can fix it or find out what's wrong with it ourselves and fix it before we go trying to buy something else. It's a mess. I need to finish washing. So this is my 4th time going to check on the dryer to see if these clothes are drying. Oh, they're dry. It's something still wrong with it. So Tonio, I talked to Tonio. He said he's going to look at it tomorrow. Hopefully he could fix it. But I'm glad they dry because we ran out of towels. Oh, now I need to wash. Do we got? Oh yeah, we got more towels. I don't know if this clean. Oh, this is good though. They're all the way dry. So, yay for clean towels. Clean dry towels. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I want to say like, subscribe. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Comment. Bye.